Experiencing issues with your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max side button? If it's stuck, delayed, or completely unresponsive, don't panic. This section will guide you through initial troubleshooting steps. First, perform a force restart by quickly pressing volume up, then volume down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, iOS 18.3.1 or later, as Apple has released patches to address software glitches causing these issues. If the problem persists, check for accessibility feature conflicts, especially assistive touch or triple click of side button in Settings Accessibility. These can sometimes cause delays. Addressing these common issues can resolve the side button malfunction in many cases. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your side button issue, it might be hardware related. Before seeking professional repair, try a DIY cleaning method using compressed air to remove dust or debris. If cleaning doesn't help, enable assistive touch through Settings Accessibility Touch. This creates a virtual button on your screen, completely bypassing the physical side button. For hardware repairs that require professional service, expect to pay between $200 and $400 at Apple stores or authorized repair centers. As a temporary solution, use accessibility features like Siri to power off your device or activate emergency SOS without the side button. If your device is under warranty, contact Apple for a free repair. Check your serial number against Apple's support database to confirm eligibility.